Hello everyone, how you all? I hope you all are taking very good care of yourself. Welcome to Explore More and Learn. I am Dr. Anshul and today I have brought very interesting and informative video for you. It's related to English pronunciation, a letter and its sound. As you might be knowing that the letter U has various sounds. Sometimes it has a sound which is short, sometimes it has U sound which is short sound. Sometimes it has long U sound and sometimes it has OO sound, like in blue. So it has either short sound or long sound. I'll give you a few more examples. You see, in cut, it has a sound which is short. In cute, it has long U sound. When we add E in cut, it becomes cute, and letter U has long sound. In full, it has short sound, but in fur, it has short sound again. In fuse, it has long U sound. In blue, it has O sound. Now, the question comes, when does this letter U have long sound and when does it have short sound? Are there any rules to decide when does this letter U have long sound and when does it have short sound? So I would say yes, there are four rules to know when does this letter U have long sound and when does it have short sound. Okay, so today's topic is pronunciation of letter U, long or short, and I'll talk about four rules. So don't skip this video and please watch it from the beginning till the end. Alright, so let's start with all these four rules. Rule number one is when letter U is followed by a consonant and that consonant is followed by a vowel, then it has long sound. Got it? For example, cute. Here you see letter U has long sound. Why? Because it is followed by a consonant T and then it is followed by a vowel which is E. That's why it has long sound cute. Another example, mute. The same thing is followed here. Letter U is followed by a consonant, then it is followed by a vowel. So it has long sound. Rule. Again, you see, it is followed by a consonant, then a vowel. So it has long sound U. Rule. Music. Here you see it is followed by a consonant, then a vowel. That's why it has long sound U. Music. So cute, mute, rule, music. All these words have long sound. Tulip. Again, letter U is followed by a consonant, then the consonant is followed by a vowel. That's why letter U has long sound. Tulip. Got it? Now, rule number two. When the letter U is followed by a vowel, it has long sound. Another important point, when the letter U is followed by a vowel and vowel is followed by a consonant, then also it has long sound. For example, blue. Here you see letter U is followed by a vowel. That's why it has long oo sound. Blue. Another example, issue. Here you see letter U is followed by a vowel. So it has long sound. Issue. Oo. Fuel. Again you see letter U is followed by a vowel and then vowel is followed by a consonant. So it has long sound. Oo. Fuel. Okay. Here you see fruit. Letter U is followed by a vowel and the vowel is followed by a consonant. That's why it has long sound. Fruit. Now juice. Here you see letter U is followed by a vowel and vowel is followed by a consonant. So it has long sound. Suit. Again, letter U is followed by a vowel and the vowel is followed by a consonant. So it has long oo sound. So blue, issue, fuel, fruit, juice, suit. Alright, now rule number 3. When the letter U is followed by a consonant, it has short sound. For example, plus. Here you see letter U is followed by a consonant S. So it has short sound. Shut. Cup. Here you can notice letter U is followed by a consonant S, T and P. These all are consonant. That's why letter U has short sound A. Hug. Here letter U is followed by a consonant G. So it has short sound A. Mud. Here again letter U is followed by a consonant D. That's why it has short sound. So plus, shut, cup, mug, mud. Now rule number 4. When letter U is followed by a consonant and consonant is followed by another consonant, then it has short sound. For example, full. Here you see letter U has U sound, which is a short sound, and letter U is followed by a consonant and consonant is again followed by a consonant. So LL. So it has short sound, which is O. Bull. Again O. Jump. Which is a short sound. As you can see, letter U is followed by a consonant M, and letter M is again followed by a consonant letter P. So it is having short sound A. Jump. Pump. A. Lung. A. So full, bull, jump, pump, lung. All these words have short sound. These were the 4 rules. Now I'll give you 2 words to test your knowledge about these 4 rules. This is MUR, MUR and CUBE. Now you have to tell me in the comment box below, which sound does the letter U have in these words? MUR, MUR and CUBE. Alright? So I hope you will give your answers. You will post your comments in the comment box below. So I'll check your answers and then I'll tell you the correct answer. Hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to press like and share this video with as many people as you can. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel, and please press the bell icon so that you may get notifications for the next video. Very soon I'll upload another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.